Good morning, friends. This is Vikram Rathod, and welcome to my YouTube channel. First of all, I will request you all, if you are interested in learning English, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon for notifications. I am Vikram Rathod, and I am going to continue a series of English grammar in coming period. So today we will start with the basic for beginners, in which we will see about nouns. So before we start with nouns, we must know the different types of word classes, or we can call them parts of speech. Different parts of speech are there, and the most important and the first one of them is nouns. Words are divided into different kinds of classes. First is noun. Word used as the name of a person, place, or thing is known as a noun. Or we can say, in other words, the naming words are known as nouns. For example, he is from Coimbatore, or we can say he is from Mumbai. Gold is a precious metal. Shakespeare is an English poet. Rani is a fine dancer. In all the four sentences, we can easily find out the name of a person, place, or thing. For example, in the first sentence, Coimbatore is the name of city. In the second sentence, gold is name of a metal, it's name of an object. Shakespeare is the name of English poet, in which Shakespeare is used as a noun here, and Rani is a fine dancer. So Rani is also a noun. At the same time, in the third sentence, English is name of the subject, so it is also noun. Now we will see different kinds of nouns. There are different kinds of nouns. First one is proper noun. Special name of a particular person, place, thing, or event is known as proper noun. For example, Raja, Niveda, Dhoni, Shivaji, these are all the names of a person, and these are known as proper nouns. LG fridge, Apple laptop, Parker pen, these are the names of particular things, so these are called as proper nouns. Coimbatore, Singapore, Australia, Delhi are the names of the places, so these are also proper nouns. Olympic Games, Round Table Conference are the two events, and so they are properly defined, so we can say they are also proper nouns. Examples now we will see in common. Delhi is the capital of India. Vijay is my best friend. Ambedkar was a true leader. Antarctica is the coldest continent. In all the four sentences, we can find out easily the names of the proper nouns. For example, Delhi, Vijay, Ambedkar, and Antarctica are the proper nouns. India is also a proper noun. Common noun. Ordinary name of a person, place, animal, thing, or event is called as common noun. They don't tell us about particular person or particular place or particular event. They are in general, in common, so they are known as common nouns. For example, girl, boy, father, mother, scientist. These are the names of persons, but they are in general, so they are common nouns. Hospital, temple, town, park. These are the names of the places, so these are also common nouns. Bird, lion, elephant, hen, rabbit, animals, and birds. These are also common nouns, because we are not talking about a particular lion or particular bird, we are talking about all general. Cricket match, cartoon show, these are the common shows or events, so common names are there. Book, bag, house, pen, ship, these are the common things, so these are also common nouns. Example, the tree is very big. The boy is playing with toys. The girls are watching TV. This flower is beautiful. These are the examples of common noun. Third type of noun is abstract noun. Quality that person or things have cannot be seen, heard, touched, or tasted. Such qualities are called as abstract nouns. For example, jog. The action of being involved in running is jogging. So, jog is a noun. Poverty. The state of being poor is a abstract noun. Manhood. The state of being matured or man. Wiseness. The quality of being wise. This cannot be touched. Quarreling. The action of being involved in quarrel. Bravery. The quality of being brave. Examples: there was a theft. Don't show hatred. Laughter is the best medicine. Honesty is the best policy. Material noun. Raw elements or objects in nature are known as materials and their names are called as material nouns. For example, iron, gold, stone, brass, platinum, mercury, uranium, diamond, plastic, etc. Examples: emerald is available here, ruby is costlier, iron is very useful metal, and the house is built of stones. These are the examples of abstract nouns. Collective noun. Group or collection of similar persons, places, animals, or things is called as a collective noun. A herd of cattle, a troop of soldiers, a bunch of keys, a few drops of water, a flock of sheep, etc. are all examples of collective noun. Committee of 5 was appointed. I saw a bunch of grapes. Indian cricket team is strong. I presented a bouquet of flowers. In the above sentences, committee is an example of collective noun. Bunch of grapes is an example of collective noun. Team is collective noun, and bouquet of flowers is also collective noun. Thank you for watching, and please do subscribe my YouTube channel. I will post the remaining part of types of nouns in the next lecture. See you then. Bye. Have a nice day.